So this is another update progress video on our Eldorado. If we notice, we got new calipers. Look at that. That ain't all. What else do we have there, cameraman? Well, we got new axle situation going on. Got new end links, brake hose shocks. Man, look at that. Man. But this is going to be something that everybody needs to know. This is a brake line no-no. So, you never compression union a brake line. Obviously, this thing is a rotting disaster. I mean, look at that. It's got a ventilation hole. Isn't that nice? Just cute. So, we've been rust scraping, we've been undercoating this car. Or, as I like to call it, rust filling. Because it seems more appropriate. But no, we're going to have to fix spots of the floor, obviously. But to the brake line, you never compression union one. Not a big fan on copper for brake line either, so this should be to a clean spot, which it looks like there's enough right there to actually be able to flare, put a nut on it, and, you know, put a section line in and thread it together. So this is like the most janky, a horrible way you could possibly fix a brake line. I mean, if you don't care for your life, this is great. This is quick and simple and cheap, you know, but I care because I got a lot to live for. So, yeah, we're going to fix that. A lot of the other stuff's ironed out. Oh, and the fuel leaks. So, as you can see, we've rust filled everything in the back, mostly. Got to touch some of it up, you know. But obviously, this ain't Christian. So, they're fairly decent back here. And I might be able to clean these up enough. Now, of course, you could run a section of line, which we're probably going to run line and put it in the original keepers. And just put rubber unions on the ends because it's low pressure. But yeah, so that's going on it. Oh, look at the ventilated floors. Check these out. Don't be jealous of the ventilated floors, people. Oh, here you go. Here's the back of the brake line, compression unioned and all. Yeah, that sucks. That is not the way to do it. We'll have to do a progress video after today. And hopefully driving it even. Wouldn't that be great? Oh, I love this too. Let's get a new floor pan and then check out these death spikes. Man, ain't those just pretty. Yeah, let's put a new floor pan in it and just sheet metal screw it or drywall screw it to the car, right? So yeah, I got to pull the rear seat and the carpet and fix the rear floor pans. Got some spots in the front. Other than that, we pretty much rust filled the rest of it, so I think we're good in the back. So yeah, man, if you're gonna fix brake lines, fix them right. Ain't nobody got time for this copper union shit.